Hello, today we are going to show the usage of Active Directory in user and group management. Objective 1. Access Active Directory users and computers. First, I open the Server Manager, then select the Tools option and navigate to Active Directory users and computers. Next, I browse through my domain Sheridantech to locate the users group. Once found, I can see my name and student ID in the users list. Objective 2. Create a user account. I right-click on the Users folder and select the New option, after which I choose the User option to create a new user. Then I follow the prompts and fill in the information as specified in the lab instructions. To add the new user to a group, I right-click on the newly created user and select Properties. Then I navigate to the Member of tab in the window and select the Add option. For the object name, I type IT Department, a group created for test purposes, and click Check Names to verify it is an actual group name. Once the group name is underlined, I click OK and verify the addition by navigating to the Members section of the group. Objective 3. Create a user account using PowerShell. I use the following script, which creates a new user account in Active Directory. The new AD user CMD let sets the user's full name as Jane991602583 Smith, with the first name as Jane and the last name as Smith. It defines the SAM account name as JSmith and the user principal name as jsmith@sheridantech.local. The account is created in the user's container of the Sheridantech domain with a secure password specified using Converto Secure String. The account is enabled upon creation. Objective 4. Create and configure a security group. I right-click on the Users folder and select the New option, followed by the Group option to create the new security group. Then I follow the prompts and fill in the required information as specified in the lab instructions. To add members, I right-click on the newly created group and select Properties. I then navigate to the Members tab in the window and select the Add option. For the object name, I enter the names of the users I created and click Check Names to verify they are actual user names once. The group names are underlined. I click OK and verify the addition by checking the Members section of the group. Objective 5. Implement security policies. I use the Run option in Windows and execute gpmcmsc. Next, I navigate to the default domain policy and follow the instructions mentioned in the lab to access the password policy. I right-click on the policy that needs to be changed, select the Properties option, and modify the desired configuration according to the specifications in the lab. After making the changes, I click Apply and then OK. The same process is followed for the account lockout policy. Objective 6. Create users using templates. I follow the same process to create a normal user, but the account is disabled as shown. Then I right-click on the created user and select the copy option to duplicate the template user. I follow the prompts, and in the end, I enable the user so they can be utilized in the system. Objective 7. Verify user and group management using PowerShell. To verify the group membership of John Doe and Jane Smith, I run the following commands. These commands retrieve the group memberships for the specified users. The getAdUserCMDlet is used to fetch information about a user in Active Directory, and the property member of parameter specifies that I want to see which groups the users belong to. After running the commands, I can see that John Doe is a member of two groups, IT Department and Sheridan IT. The IT Department group was created for test purposes in Objective 2. Similarly, for Jane Smith, the command shows that she is a member of the Sheridan IT group. To check the account lockout policy, I use remote desktop connection to verify that the user will be locked out after 5 failed login attempts, which was a policy change I had made. I use the run option to open the remote desktop connection window and enter the computer name found using the hostname command in PowerShell. Then, I click the show options arrow to enter the username jdoe and input the correct password to establish the connection. Once connected, I close the remote desktop window, thereby disabling the connection. Next, I repeat the process, but this time I enter incorrect passwords to create failed attempts. I record the failed attempts as follows. Password failed attempt 1. Password failed attempt 2. Password failed attempt 3. Password failed attempt 4. Password failed attempt 5. After the 5th attempt, when I try for the 6th time, it shows that my account is locked. Even when I enter the correct password, the account remains locked, and the only way to resolve this is to contact the administrator. I confirm this by checking the user's properties, where it indicates that the account is locked. As the administrator, I have the option to unlock the user. End of Lab 3. Thank you for watching.